Hi, I'm Myles Harrison, and today is September 11th of 2024, and this is just a short video on how to install Python on the Windows operating system as part of NLP from scratch. So the first thing you are going to want to do is launch your web browser and navigate to python.org. And once you are there, you will see that there is a downloads button, and you can click a button within that menu to download for Windows the latest version of Python. And that should download, and then you can run that installer once it is finished downloading. You're going to want to click the checkbox to add Python to the path and also to use the admin privileges to install it, just so that it's installed for everyone. There are some features you don't need if you're doing data science work with Python. You're probably not going to use the Python test suite, and we don't need the IDLE or the launcher. And we do want to install Python for all users. Okay, so once we have all those things configured like that, it should look like this. Go ahead and click the install button, and the installer should take its time. This is sped up. This will take a little bit longer on your machine to install. And then you do want to disable the path length limit so that Python can actually be found in your path in Windows. Okay, and then once you're done that, you should be able to go to the start menu and run Python itself, which will open it in a terminal window. And here we're just testing Python by printing hello world. And you can see that that functions. You can also just open a command prompt for PowerShell window and then type the command Python, and Python should run. And here again, we can just test that Python is functioning on our machine. We can see the version is 3.12.6. And before I close this, the last thing I want to do is just check that pip is working properly. Pip is the package manager in Python, and you can see that pip 24.2 is installed. So we're all ready to rock with Python on Windows. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.